Hello and welcome back to Indigo Legal Solutions. In this video we're going to cover alias sources. You can create alias sources one of two ways, either through the document management panel by selecting a source or sources from a project, selecting specific files or many files, here we'll pick a few, and click on Create Alias. You can give the alias a unique name. The alias source numbers start with 6000, so for project 1 or P300, the first source would be P300-6001. That's the first source name for an alias. That leaves you 6000 sources for unique custodians and 4000 alias sources. Copy that data here, check any of these parameters you want. Make sure you've got a source name in there that's at least 5 characters. Check the name, hasn't been used, and create your alias. This alias will have its own TIFFs, its own file structure, its own coding, and its own redactions. So you must realize that using alias sources, you are copying a document into another location for production or for some other TIFFing purpose or something like that to remove it from the main document set. The other way to create an alias is go to admin source, create alias. And you can create an alias via a DAT file that has a list of file baits for a specific project. For here we're going to go see Indigo input is our load.dat file. If we open this file, you can see it's got some baits numbers in there. This is useful if you have exported the documents to a third-party review platform and you want to bring them back for TIFFing or after they've been coded or some other post export processing. And you can call this test source or test alias, check the name, not been used, copy your data, and now as we said, we've got those two. Pristine process text and not been used, you want to create it yes, and it'll create the alias. And this source is a completely separate source. Alias sources are completely separate from their main source, though they do contain identical documents from the main source that you've ingested into Indigo. If you have any questions about alias sources, please feel free to contact us at support@lexindigo.com or check out our documentation. There's a lengthy documentation on alias sources. Thank you for watching.